What's up, guys? It's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How is everybody doing out there? Happy holidays to you and yours. If you're here for the very first time, do me a favor and smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. Welcome back. Okay, I'm back today. I want you to check out something here we're going to take a look at. But if you haven't checked out my projects, go to this website right here on the screen, www.coffeeandcoins.info. That link will also be in the description of this video. See what I got going on. All right, today I am back. I'm back. I'm super excited about something I'm getting ready to share with you guys. Another if you will, system that I'm going to be using to promote one of my digital programs, basically. Okay, it's one of my #1 programs that I highly recommend for digital marketing, affiliate marketing, how to start an online business, right? So I'm going to share that with you guys. All right, so let's go over here. You've seen me talk about this program ever since it launched this year, March of this year. The proven six-figure business blueprint delivers results in a 2-hour workday. You can earn up to $900 in daily pay. This is instant commissions. Okay, 100%. Access the simple step-by-step plan thousands are already using to earn daily from the comfort of your home or anywhere in the world, as long as you have a Wi-Fi connection and a smart device, such as a smartphone. All right. So again, this is a system that I'm going to be using. You will see it. You want to check it out. Go to coffeeandcoins.info, link in the description. I'm going to plug this system in. Okay. It's a new marketing system. It has nothing to do with the program itself. Okay, this is a third-party program. All right, so we're going to go over and we're going to talk about it. Let's go. All right, so this does not come automatically with the program. Okay, we are using, let me move this out the way. We have the system.io, right? We have that. But this is another program. Okay, so I'm going to be plugging this in everywhere. All right, so daily pay with the #1 interactive digital marketing program of 2024. And of course, we're getting ready to enter 2025. So with this, let's go over this page. 100% commission, step-by-step blueprint. Okay, a 2-hour workday. Okay, this program shows you how to do your income producing activities with only 2 hours. Okay, it's only going to take you 2 hours. You don't have to do the 2 hours all at once. You can break it up. Say you're working a job, right? You get a break. While you're strolling, instead of strolling social media for free, why don't you take time to promote your business, right? So you can do 15 minutes here, 30 minutes here, 20 minutes here, etc. So you're going to go to coffeeandcoins.info and you will get this funnel. You'll see the funnel rather. And if you want to get the funnel, wonderful. There will be a link for you to do that. If you're already in this program and you want this funnel, go to coffeeandcoins.info. If you have not have even thought about this program or seen it and you've been on the fence, perfect time to get in, guys. And you want to plug this system in. This is going to be high converting. Okay, so let's go over it. So you get this video. I'm not going to play it because I want you to watch it. Okay, isn't this nice? Yes, I want access now. Check it out. This simple digital business is easy as 1, 2, 3. Get started. That's step #1. You're going to purchase one of the digital programs that best fits your goals, whatever that is. You will get instant access to your step-by-step digital training and our amazing community. Okay. Get the automated system. That's number 2. Okay. You've got options. You can launch your business with 100% free sales funnel included with your product purchase, or you can plug into this program. Now, as I just stated, the program comes with the free system. Okay, that's through system.io. You can check that link out as well. I have it, thecopypastemethod.com, in the description for the free funnel. This one, okay, is a third-party funnel, but it's going to be amazing. Okay, you can get this system. Number 3, you can earn while you learn. Yes, you can start earning an income while you learn this business by following the blueprint. Okay, so if we come down this page, as I said, it is amazing. A simple but powerful digital franchise where ordinary people are achieving extraordinary success. We've been talking about this since March. It's been awesome to see how people with no experience with online marketing have come here and followed a blueprint, and they're getting success. Of course, there's not a guarantee. I'm just showing you and talking to you about, number 1, what I'm experiencing. Number 2, what other people are experiencing. Doesn't mean you're going to experience the same thing, because you actually have to do some work. Okay, this is not just sign up and fall back and then sales are going to roll into your lap, fall into your lap. Not going to happen. You've got to do the work. But the blueprint is here, because we don't know what you're going to do with the blueprint, right? So how can I guarantee what you're going to make with this program? I don't know, right? So anyway, we're going to give you the blueprint, but check it out. This is the page, one of the pages. This online business includes everything you need to create a successful online business and leave a legacy for your family. All right. We're going to show you exactly how to do it. It's one of a kind. And I must say that because I've been an affiliate for over 10 plus years, and I haven't seen anything like it as far as this community. It is amazing. And you get that's included. And I mean an active community, not just where you join a group and you can't get any help and no one's really sharing any information. This is totally the opposite. Okay, you will get support here. All right, so check this page out. Believe it or not, there's a new kind of automated system. If you can, okay, and it lists all the different things. You can read over this at your leisure. Okay, the 2-hour workday. Yes, you read it right. Launch your business, follow the proven blueprint, work 2 hours a day, and you're done. Okay, take back your time. That's what this is going to help you do. Because a lot of programs that we've promoted in the past were digital programs where they were just sitting in the dashboard. Okay, they actually do work, but you're on your own. There's no community with it, right? You just have your dashboard and you have the instructions on what you need to do. But here you have interactive community. All right, so follow the copy and paste method shared in the daily pay blueprint. And here's just a testimony of a person that made $5,500 in 48 hours. Anything is possible if you do the work. So we've got testimonies here. That's going to come with this marketing system, as you can see right here. All right, you've probably seen some of these people we've been showing on the testimonies of the webinars, right? Now you have that on this page, this sales page. This is going to convert, okay? So we've got that. Come down. And there's only one remaining question. Do you want an automated legacy wealth producing machine for one-time payment? Again, no monthly fees here. This is not network marketing. It's not an MLM. This is direct sales, member to member. When folks go to your page, they sign up, they're going to pay you directly. There's no middleman. You're going to get paid instantly and directly from the person that signs up with you. All right? Instant. Okay? And you decide how you want to get paid. That's the other thing with this particular program here, with this system, this third-party system that is, you can set up different payment options. All right. So this program, there's 4 programs within this system. Okay. You are able to earn, you're going to generate leads, right? You're going to earn $100, $300, $600, or $900 commissions. It's up to you. Again, get in where you fit in. Okay? So, check it out. Here's everything you get today with the automated system. A complete all-in-one 900 per day passive income machine. The Launchpad, how to go from zero to profit in 7 days. Daily pay blueprint, $300 per day. Digital Mastermind, how to make 6 figures in 6 months formula, how to build your own legacy business and create generational wealth. Weekly product calls. This is important. A lot of programs don't have any training, okay, live training, and they don't have it recorded where you can go back and watch it. We have all that over here. So you get these product calls to train you and your team, so you don't have to worry about doing it, especially if you're new. You're like, well, I don't know what to tell people. You don't have to worry about that here. Folks going to sign up. They're going to instantly get access to the community. They're going to instantly get access to these trainings. Okay. We even have a support team. Okay. We have tech calls for folks that have issues or hurdles that they're finding challenging technically, right, when they're setting up their system. All of that is here. All right, lifetime access to all your products, 100% commissions, guys. Okay, you keep all the profits, you pocket everything. All right, 100, 300, 600, or 900. Includes the sales funnel, right? You're going to get the free one, right, through the company. But over here, again, I keep reiterating it because people sometimes get things confused. This is a third-party one. But this is the one right here that I know that's going to rock 2025 for you. So you get this funnel. Done for you content includes the emails, images, social media posts, weekly live. The program comes with weekly live close your sales presentations. They have webinars. Okay, if you join this program, the legacy program, they're going to do all the selling and telling for us. All you have to do is point people to the information, right? That's all. I am a glorified tour guide. Okay, I'm just presenting you with the information. Okay, so you also will have a free 24/7 community, as I mentioned. You'll get access to, and you always have help and guidance. This is a global opportunity. We have people from all over the world in this program, which also means that the community, right, is global. So it doesn't matter where you are in the world. If you go to the community and ask a question, somebody's going to be out there that can help you. If not there, right, they have a search bar that you can type what you're seeking and you'll find the answer there as well. Okay, so the system has a follow-up system that converts leads to sales for you. All right, so here we go. The bonuses: free legacy builder program, access to our 24/7 live and interactive support community. You get the Canva crash course. All these are bonuses. Doesn't matter which program you sign up with out of the 4, you're going to get this. Okay, the bonuses: Canva crash course, the 1 million 17 months blueprint, invisible empire faceless marketing strategies. For those of you who don't want to show your face online, guess what? There's training in here to show you how to do it faceless. Okay, it's been around for years, but for some reason it's trending now. Faceless marketing. Okay, so you'll get that included. The copy paste post free 30-minute marketing strategy, complete step-by-step 30-day growth plan. You get 200 digital ideas for content. All right, so let's say you can't think of ways to market, or you need content. Well, we got 200 ideas that can help you. All right, and if you want to create your own digital program, right, here's some ideas for you. Over 200. All right, the 100% commission secrets blueprint, that's included. The millionaire mindset secrets of the top 1%. Additional income streams only available to the legacy members, giving you the ability to earn more money with zero extra effort. Okay, that's the bonuses you're going to get for joining the program. Okay, all right, and it's priceless. Now check this out. You get all those bonuses free when you grab your lifetime access to the Legacy Builder program. All right, so we've got the $900 program where you're all in and you get to earn $900 commissions, guys. Okay, you're all in. That is the Legacy Builder program. One-time payment, no monthly fees. So as you can see right here, if you decide you want to go that way, that's the way I went. 900, I didn't leave no money on the table. 900 one time, and then 29 for your website. Okay, everybody pays the 29 for their website, and you get lifetime access to everything. So you're looking at $929. $929. Excuse me, I'm getting all these text messages. You get $929 for $929. You get everything. Okay. Now, let's keep going. Not ready for $900 daily commissions yet? Well, you may say, well, I really don't have 900 right now. Where else can I start? Well, we have the 100. Okay, you can start here to be 129, and that means you will make $100 commissions every time someone purchases the Launchpad. Or we have the Passive Daily Pay Blueprint. That's $300. Plus your website, it'd be $329, and if you go that route, at least you will be able to earn 100 and 300 versus just getting the 100, right? Or you can get the Digital Mastery, $600 one time, it'll be $629, and now you have 3 incomes, 100, 300, and 600. Okay, so again, you decide what you want to do. This is 100% commissions, guys. There's, again, no middleman. You keep all the profits. All right. And reiterating, here's the bonuses I just read to you, but here is a visual of them, right? The community, the Canva crash course, the 17 months blueprint, invisible faceless marketing, the 30-day growth plan I talked about, the 200 digital product ideas, the 100% commission secrets, the millionaire mindset. Everything is listed right here. All right. So again, go check this out. I'm telling you, this is going to be the marketing system to get for 2025 and beyond. Go to www.coffeeandcoins.info. Check it out, guys. All right. If you have any questions, reach out to me. My link, my link is in the description, but my info is in the description as well. All right, that's it. That's all. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, don't forget to smash it. Smash the subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Until next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.